So hello Nakul, good morning. How are you doing?
So I am doing great actually, ma'am. So first of all, I would say I am very happy that you are
Mm-hmm.
accepting me because I was very eager to connect with you. So that's why I am very happy today.
Mm-hmm.
And
Same here, same
so,
here. I'm equally excited.
so first of all, ma'am, I just want to know. Actually, I also have created a YouTube channel and to improve my fluency. So actually, I create this channel because the place where I live at here is no any kind of person, so that we can talk with them. So that's why I create this
Mm-hmm.
channel. So that's why I press the button of recording.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay, that's good.
yeah,
That's good. You have taken a really good step in improving your
yeah,
English speaking. You don't have
yeah.
atmosphere of spoken English, so that is why it's a good step.
Before we come into the conversation, so here I would say
Mm-hmm.
one thing. So please introduce yourself so that
Mm-hmm.
my audience came to know about you.
Sure,
Yeah,
sure. I would love to introduce myself. My
yeah,
name, as you already know, is Sunita Rawat.
yeah.
I come from a beautiful village in Chamoli, Uttarakhand. I am a mother to two boys, and along with that, I run a YouTube channel named Sunita's English Adventure, wherein I meet people like you, co learners, and I love interacting with them. I'm fond of meeting people. And I have another passion that is for teaching. So, for that, I teach spoken English to beginners. That's quite a lot about me.
Yeah. Actually, I also have a dream to teach to
Hmm.
someone. Yeah. That's why
Okay.
exactly I created this channel. Yeah.
Okay. Now,
Actually,
can you tell me
yeah.
something about yourself too?
Yeah. First of all, I would say so. My name is Nakul Kumar.
Mm-hmm.
So, and I am a student, but currently I have stopped studying after completing my 12th from CBSE board in 2023. But apart from English, I am nothing reading any subject. Yeah, actually, I have a
Mm-hmm.
dream to speak English, so that's why I'm learning English. But otherwise, apart from this subject, I don't read any kind of subject. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. So till what class have you studied?
you mean English?
Which class? Till which class you have studied? Till 12th?
Yeah, yes,
You are 12th pass, right?
yes, yes.
Okay.
My
So
highest
after that,
education is 12. Yeah, highest education is
okay.
12.
So after that, you are not interested in studying, or you just couldn't study because of some reasons?
Yeah, I have interested, but what will I say? No, ma'am, not interested. I think,
Mm-hmm.
and as well as I am a very poor guy, so
Mm-hmm.
I'm. I mean, how can I explain? So yeah,
You're
due
not
to
able to
money
continue your
problem, yeah, due
studies.
to money problem, it's like
Hmm.
yeah, that's why I had to stop studying.
Okay. So we all have some or the other issues in our lives, some
Yeah,
problems and anything.
that's
But it's good that you just left that problem behind and you are working on your skills. From
yes,
this skill also, from English speaking skills, you can get many opportunities in future, no
yeah,
matter how much, qualified you are.
yes,
So that would definitely help. So you told me that you have passion for teaching as well. So do you have
yes,
any
yes.
prior experience in teaching or in tutoring?
So, ma'am, I have a lot to say in my mind,
Mm-hmm.
so I'm going to ask, yeah, so that I can improve my English. So, first of all, I just want to know, so how long have you been using, I mean, learning English?
It's been 2 to 3 months that I'm continuously interacting with my co-learners and tutors to improve my
Okay.
English. Hmm.
And do you use any kind of application
I
so that you
recently
can,
started.
yeah, talk?
Yes, I recently started using Civi, SIVI. It's an app where
Okay.
we can
I
connect
also
with
using CV.
co-learners.
Yeah. Yeah. Me too, ma'am.
Okay, so we might
Yeah.
meet someday on Civi as well.
Yeah. Only CV app. Yeah.
Only
And
Civi
anything
app I
else?
use.
Any other?
N- No, actually, I don't get enough time to use CV also. So sometimes when
And
I'm free in my leisure time, I use CV. I don't get
how is
much
it
time.
experience? Is it experience good or anything else?
As of for now, the experience has been amazing, I would say, because I've always met some serious learners who are really serious about English speaking. So I always enjoyed talking to them.
Yeah, me too, ma'am. Exactly.
But sometimes we get some non-serious guys as well. So I just
Okay.
cut the call in between and move forward.
So anything else if you want you want to ask me?
Hmm. Yes,
Yeah.
I want to ask you, like, where are you from?
So I am from India, Bihar.
Bihar.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
what's that? Do you have something to tell that you are very proud that you are from Bihar?
Yes. Yes. Ma'am, I don't know as special because I'm an introvert guy right now.
Mm-hmm.
So that's
Mm-hmm.
why I don't get any kind of opportunity to go anywhere. So
Mm-hmm.
I mean, and as you can see, I am a very young boy. So that's why,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I haven't
Mm-hmm.
visit anywhere famous place yet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But whatever exposure you can give to yourself, you should do that. You can, visit the places nearby your place, nearby your village, and try to meet as many people as you can. Try to meet elderly people as well, old people, right? They have lots of wisdom. They can share it
Yeah.
with you,
Yeah.
and you can also, gain a lot of knowledge. So try to
Yes,
meet
ma'am.
different. Hmm.
Yeah, I try to become my extrovert, but
Mm-hmm.
right now I'm an introvert. Yeah.
Hmm. But do you think that it's very difficult to be an extrovert or ambivert?
First, I have to enhance my skills. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, that's when I can meet other people and it's called, I think, extrovert. Yeah.
Hmm. But
Yeah.
still, first you have to bring that extrovertness in your personality so that you can start with your mother tongue or Hindi language. Start speaking, start meeting people and speak in mother tongue or Hindi language. Develop that personality of being an extrovert or ambivert. Okay? And slowly and
Um,
gradually start speaking in English as well with someone who is really good at English or with your co-learners.
yes. Ma'am, by the way, what is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Gadwali. I'm from Gadwal region in Uttarakhand. So
Okay.
Gadwali is my mother tongue.
But my mother tongue is very different. Like if you know
Hmm.
Bengali and you
Hmm.
understand my language. Yeah. I said if you want to hear my language, then you can search on YouTube like Rajvangshi videos. Then you get to see
Hmm.
a lot of videos. Yeah.
Okay, I'll surely do that. So are you really proud of the place you are from?
Yes, very nice
Hmm.
place. Very, yeah. And
Hmm.
I have come here to work on my farming, like as you can see.
Oh, very nice, very nice. And you
Uh,
remind me of this another
I
guy,
have,
he's on YouTube,
yes.
Jadu. So you remind me of
Yes.
Jadu because he also used to make videos wandering here and there around his fields.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Have you
Because
seen his video?
yeah.
Hmm. So do you
I
get
just
some inspiration from him as well?
sorry.
Do you get some inspiration from him as well?
Yes, ma'am. That's the thing I wanted to say. I get
Hmm.
from his, yeah.
Hmm. He's a very confident guy.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And actually,
Okay.
actually my father is a farmer and I help to my father. And as you can
Hmm.
see, yeah, I have
So
come to work.
what all crops have you cultivated in your farm, these fields?
Right? So right now I have after harvesting my paddy,
Hmm.
then I am on my cornfield as you can see. And
Ah,
then
good.
yeah, then and after some walk, you can see
Hmm.
my potatoes. Yeah, potatoes.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So you have everything organic or everything that are grown in your fields. You don't
Yeah,
buy
ma'am.
anything from market.
Yes, why not?
You buy
Right.
from market as well.
Yeah, both. I will sell
Ah.
and buy both.
Okay, okay, great. So what is your major source of income in your family?
No, ma'am, a little.
Hmm. So you get income from these fields only by selling your crops,
Yes.
right?
And actually,
Mhm.
my elder brother is a doctor, so he work on his shop. Yeah.
Okay, his clinic. He's a
Yes.
doctor, right? So he works at clinic.
Yes.
Okay, good, good, good. So what are
And
your future plans? Do you want to pursue your career in English only?
yes. And
Mm-hmm,
actually, I
that's
have
great.
dream to speak English, so that's why
Uh-huh.
I create this channel. While learning, I want to teach my audience.
Amazing, amazing. If you would need any help from me, I would be happy to help you. You can anytime message me on Skype,
Yes, ma'am.
right? If you'll need any guidance.
So actually, ma'am, you please tell me
Mm-hmm.
some suggestion or remedies so that I can prepare my English, yeah, improvement.
Mm-hmm. So
Yeah,
what
and
all things are
my
you
audience.
currently practicing? What all activities are you currently doing to improve your English?
So before we go into this question, so here I would say one thing. So ma'am, so how can I express? So do you know Hindi?
Yes.
So I wanted to say, so how many person you connect with this call in a day?
In a day, I
So first
think
of all,
one or
so,
two. One or two.
so first of all, I want to know, so how can I express in English in a proper way this sentence? If I would like to say, like, how many
Okay.
person you meet through
Hmm.
this app? Yeah.
How many people do you connect through this app in a day?
Okay.
How many people, कितने लोग एक दिन
Yes.
में connect करते हो इस app के through? How many people
Yes.
do you connect through this app
Okay.
in a day?
Do you connect through this app?
Hmm.
Yes.
Hmm.
Actually, ma'am, I understand everything, but I
But
understand
still,
whatever you are talking.
that's
Yes.
That's
Yes.
amazing. That's amazing. So you are already halfway through. You've already,
Yes. Yes.
you are on the journey. You're on that path. So you have crossed halfway, right?
Yes.
You have traveled
I,
halfway.
yeah.
So now you have to practice more and more. You get many people through those apps as well, like CV, Ace Fluency, and there are many more apps. Try using every other app, and there are free versions as well, right? You can get learners for free, and there is Skype groups, WhatsApp groups, and you have a lot many opportunities to practice your English with. So start doing that. Practice every day, whenever you are free, whenever you have some leisure time, just practice. Focus on English. Immerse yourself in English. Input is also required, right? Provide your brain's input by watching, listening, reading. It's a very simple way. The more you'll expose yourself to English, the more you'll gain. And the
Yes.
speaking is the most important thing.
Yes, I know, ma'am.
Mhm.
But the problem is there is no any kind of person so that I can practice with him. So
No problem. Even I don't have any speaking atmosphere here. I also don't have any person to speak to practice my English with. But then I'm
okay.
connecting with you people, right? I'm connecting people through Skype, through my YouTube channel, through CV app and other apps, right? So this is how we are practicing. I can tell you from my experience, the time when I started my YouTube channel, I was not this much confident that I am today. I
Yeah.
started being an underconfident girl, but now after 2 to 3 months I can say I'm pretty confident. I continuously practice my English on YouTube or Skype, I would say, like with my co-learners only. So this is how I've grown in my speaking English journey. So the same way you can also grow, right?
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, ma'am, that's great. So, ma'am, here I would say one thing. So, when you were young, so what kind of particular aim you had? Like when I was young, I'm in 2 or 3 class when I used to read. So I want to be a doctor, but things change. Yeah, my dream changed.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Hmm. It happens with everybody. When we are young, we don't know like what all opportunities we have in future, right? We just know
yeah,
that there are professions like doctors, teachers, engineers, astronauts, astrologers, and too. So we are just, quite aware of few professions here and there. So we used to choose, among them that I want to be a teacher, I want to be a doctor. But later on, we get to see many opportunities out there. So this is how we change our, what can we say, aim or dream.
yeah,
Mm.
yes,
But you'll get many opportunities, many ups and downs in your journey. Like if I tell you about mine, then I started my career in HR field, human resources, in corporate, right? But then my life turned a different way, and now I am training in English, right? So it's all about your happiness and what you enjoy. I enjoy teaching in English, so I'm liking this profession, right? So it's all
yeah.
about your happiness.
So actually, ma'am, I know you are a teacher, as you said in your introduction, but I just want to know. So, from where to got this idea that I want to teach through YouTube to my audience?
Okay. I
Yeah.
would say because of my situation, I choose this profile. I choose to
Okay.
become a teacher because my situation is something like that I cannot go outside and work. I have my kids to look after. I have my family responsibilities, so I cannot go anywhere else on, regular basis. So I thought why not to start something from my home itself online. And that way I started my journey in English and I thought why not to continue something in English only. So then I decided to pursue my career in English training.
Yes, ma'am.
And I was always passionate about teaching. So this is how I could relate.
Yes. By the way, I also passionate about teaching. So that's why I
Hmm.
choose this path. Yeah, that's why I choose this
Right.
path.
Right. So you have to study a lot, okay? You have to read a lot or immerse yourself in English a lot because for being a trainer, you need to have a vast knowledge of this subject or this language, I would say.
Anything else if you want to ask, yeah, I'm ready to answer your question.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So what makes you happy?
What makes you happy?
Mm.
Like working on YouTube is my hobby, you can say. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
If I work on YouTube, actually I have two YouTube channels.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, one is there where I teach tag related videos. Yeah, I share tag related videos. Yeah, like if you want to make thumbnail, like how to make poster of this video, then I make it on this channel, on my tag
Mm-hmm.
channel. Yeah,
Okay. Very nice.
actually,
Very nice.
yeah,
So this is
it's my
something that makes you happy. Working on your YouTube channels make you happy, right?
yeah. Right now I am learning English, so I prefer to write and reading and
Mm-hmm.
listening to like videos. Yeah, I listen
Mm-hmm.
to audios. Yeah,
Good, good. Great, great. That means doing something productive makes you happy.
yes. Actually, ma'am,
Hmm.
I want to say, I have lot to say. I want to say, but mind doesn't
Goes
work
blank.
properly.
Your
Yes.
mind goes blank.
Yes, mind goes goes blank.
It
Yes.
happens. Keep on continuing, practicing with co-learners and slowly and gradually you'll overcome this thing. Everyone struggles at first.
Okay then, ma'am. Anything else
Mhm.
if you have? Or,
No, no, nothing as such. So it's also a time about to wrap up our conversation. It was really nice meeting you. I hope
okay.
you have a wonderful day ahead.
Yeah, ma'am. That's great day. It's mine.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yes.
All right then. Bye. Take care.
Okay, then bye, bye, ma'am.